Hello, welcome again. We have done two consonants and one vowel in the last class. Let's start with today's lesson. I've already put the consonants and the vowel on the whiteboard for you. Let's revise them. The first one is K, the second one is L, and the third one, the vowel in Matra form, is A. Okay. Today's consonant, today's alphabet is the letter Ma. Let me write again. Is Ma, Ma, Ma. An easy way to remember this is it's a 4 with the knot. Fine. Okay. Now we know 3 consonants and 1 vowel. Let's try to make new words with them. If I put M with the vowel A, comes Ma. I put Ma in a Ma, is Mama. Mama is maternal uncle. We have already done Kaka. Kaka is uncle also. Remember? But paternal. Okay? Paternal uncle. Now, let's make few more words. Ka with A and M. Calm. Repeat with me. Calm. Calm is work in Hindi. I put L with A, La, M, and A, Lama. Lama, I think you already know, Lama is a Buddhist spiritual leader. Might have heard of Dalai Lama, right? Then we'll write a few more words. K, M. This time all 3 consonants without the matra. Kalam is pen. Pronounce it one more time. Kalam. Kalam. Okay. M with A and L. Mal. Mal is merchandise. Fine. So I have already added a PDF for you with all these words that we have learned today. Want to practice, write, and practice more? Can do it there. I'll see you in the next class. Welcome again. In the last class we did the letter M, which is equivalent to the English M. I have written on the whiteboard for you all the 3 consonants and 1 vowel for the revision. Let's revise them and then we'll proceed further with today's lesson. The first consonant that we did is K, second one is L, and the third one is M. And the 1 vowel that we did is A in the Matra form. Today's letter is R, R, R. As you can see that written like the letter R of the English and also equal to the R. R, R, R. Now let's try to make few words with the 3 consonants here and vowel with the R. Now If I put R with A, becomes Ra. If I write Ra with M, is Ram. Hindu god, and also a very common name in India. Ram. Another word is car, car, an English word but very commonly used in India. Car. Again, English word color. Color is color. Again, very commonly used in India. Color. So we have done 3 words today using k, l, m, and r with the vowel matra a. I have also added the practice worksheet for you, so you practice them, and I'll see you in the next class. Hello, so welcome again. Till now we have done 4 consonants and 1 vowel in its matra form. I have noted them on the whiteboard for you. Let's revise them a little bit, and then we will proceed further with today's lesson. So the first consonant that we did is letter K, equivalent to A of English. Second one is L, equivalent to L of English. Third one is M, equivalent to M. And the fourth one is R, equivalent to R of English. The fifth one is a vowel, as I told, it's in its matra form. The pronunciation for this one is A, the same that we have in arm. A sound in A. Right? Today again we are going to do a vowel in its matra form, and the vowel in its matra form is written like this, just above the horizontal line. Pronunciation for this is A, A, A. In English, we have the same pronunciation in pen. The same A sound in pen is equivalent to R, A in Hindi. Fine. Some people will write with this note above. It's just another variation of A. Now, can we make few combinations with this matra? If I put K with A matra, it will become K. If I put L with A matra, it will become Le. If I put M with A matra, it will become Me. If I put R with A matra, it will become Re. Now let's make few words. The first word is Kela. Kela is a fruit, banana. In transliteration is like this, Kela. And the second word is Mera. Mera. Mera is my. Written like this, translation. Then the third one is Keral, Keral, or some people will pronounce Kerala. An Indian state. Fine. The fourth word is an English word, very commonly used in India, rail. Rail is a train. Fine. So we did 4 words: Kela, Mera, Kerala, rail. Okay. I have also added few words in the practice worksheet for you. You practice that, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Till now we have done 4 consonants and 2 vowels in their matra forms. As usual, I have noted them on the whiteboard for you. Let's revise them a little bit and then we will proceed further with today's letter. So the first one is K. I'm going to write their English equivalents. L, M, and R. Two vowels are A and A. Same A sound that we have in arm and the same A sound that we have in pen. Easy way to remember. Today's letter, today's consonant is the. Now, I know it is a bit difficult for native English speakers to pronounce it because in English we do not have the sound. French has this, Japanese has this, Hindi has this, but English does not have this sound. We have time and tom, for example, we have two sound, but it is not the same sound. When you pronounce the, your tongue will be touching the upper teeth. When you pronounce t, will not be touching the teeth, will be just behind the teeth. Okay, so remember that. I will definitely make a lesson and upload it. For now, in this lesson, we will just do this much. Let's make combinations with the. If I add the with a matra, will become te. Okay. If I put the with a matra, it will become ta. Fine. Now let's make few words. Tera. Tera is your, informal. Remember, tera. In last class we did mera, my, and this is tera, your. Ta, ra, tara. Tara is a star. Fine. Ta, la, tala. Tala is a lock. Ra, raat. Raat is a night. Then we have a country name, Qatar, Qatar. Country name Qatar will be written like this. Fine. Then we have again a word, Reth. Reth. Reth will be sand. So we have done how many words? We know now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tera, first word. Ta, ra, second word. Ta, la. Ra, fourth word. Qatar, Qatar, fifth word. Re, sixth word. So now we know 6 words we can form with the combinations of 4 plus 1, 5 consonants and 2 matra forms. 2 vowels in the matra forms. I have added a practice worksheet for you, as I do. You practice them. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.